Sunday vlog. You just had one last week, but I think this one's gonna be a little different. Excuse me. I've been working like crazy this week. I would say I was thankfully got 2 days off this week, so compared to what you've been doing lately, which is only 1 day off. But of course, Sundays, you know, we're closed, so that you know automatically we always gonna have that day off, which I love. So, but it's also Memorial weekend, and we have no plans. Like me and my husband. One, it is terrible weather the past 2 days. Like, it rained yesterday, which I didn't care because I was at work opening, closing. And then, so I was like, it's not like I'm going anywhere. Today I was planning on being home anyway because I'm just a homebody. And I've been thinking about baking. I'm hoping to get to that because I'm going to try to make a loaf of bread. I'm going to try. See how it goes. Probably mess it up. Because it took me a few tries with that other loaf of bread I used to do. Also, I'm about to go start my coffee, and I'm thinking about making cinnamon rolls if I have some in the refrigerator. I should, but I don't know. Can't remember. But if not, we'll eat my same old breakfast. Eggs. Yesterday I ate eggs and bacon. Today I don't know. Maybe eggs and grits. I don't know yet. So but first things first, I need some coffee. But I want to do this intro. I don't know if I'm gonna do a voiceover. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a vlog style. I don't know yet. We're just gonna go with vlog. So you'll see how this video goes because I really don't know how this video goes. But I'm gonna try to make some brownies today. Cause my cake pan over there, the other glass one I have on my table, you guys see me clean my table, that glass one. It needs something in it. It's been empty for a minute. So I'm doing that. The girls will not be home today because they're with their grandparents at the beach for Memorial weekend. They will not be back until tomorrow, which is cool. So that's why I'm trying to like enjoy this day off. I love my kids. Don't get me wrong. I do. But sometimes you just want those moments of just doing your hobbies or just have a day, you know? Like, regardless, I'm going to be cleaning and doing laundry today. I'm going to try to bake today. I do love baking with my kids, though. But I'm going to bake today and everything, and also get my nap in because it's Sunday. So I'm going to try to get my nap in. I also do a lot of binge watching my shows on Sunday. So, but they'll be back tomorrow. I have one more kid that has 2 more weeks of school. Yeah. You're probably thinking like a lot of people got out last week. Oh yeah. My youngest one did. And yeah. So but my oldest one has 2 more weeks. So we just gotta do to keep up the routine with her and everything. So but yeah. So we're technically keeping up with the routine of getting up early, taking my child to school, picking her up, all that fun stuff, and plus I think we only have one more thing activity wise when it comes to my daughter who does dance, my younger one. It's her last week to do, it's the last week to get ready for her saddles and everything, which is next weekend. So once that weekend's over, we're done with activities, we're done with baseball, we're done with soccer, we're done with dance, we're done with everything. And then that's officially when my summer starts. Anyway, my oldest one has 1 more week of school after that. It's officially summertime for me because it's like I don't have to worry about activities after school, everything else and stuff. So, but it's officially summer for me because I'm kind of getting off my routine, but I'm still on a small routine just to get my daughter to school and everything. But once that week's over, where's the routines? Where? I will keep up with my laundry routine because it is summertime, but routine of getting the girls up, doing bedtime, we don't do any of that. During the summer, we just let them have a little bit of leeway, you know, because it's summertime. I love when I was a kid. I didn't get to sleep in as much as a kid because my mom had to wake me up and take me to my grandparents when she had to go to work. But you know you love those good summer mornings. Just sleeping in and staying up. I usually don't pass by 11 until I got a little older and I passed by 1 o'clock. So, but my kids like to sleep together and they're like have a sleepover in each of other's rooms. We don't do that during the school year because it's just go to bed in your own bed. Also to do like sleepovers in the living room, have blankets, pillows, everything. Like summer is, I don't want to say magical, but it's more laid back. Let's put it like that. So, but I'm gonna get started and make me some coffee, wake myself up. I got up at 7:45 this morning. Like what? And now it's 8:40 because I just chilled in bed, tried to fall back asleep, all that stuff. But yeah, try to take my time because it's all this week. I have to get up for the opening shift. So that means I won't be like going, drop my child off at school and go back to sleep. It's like literally one day I don't. I work in the closing shift. So, but yeah. We're gonna get started doing something. I don't know what yet. But probably laundry because I need to get that started because I really love to have that all put up today. I'm just saying. Okay.
Problems. I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution. I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone. I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see.
Alright, I have the laundry going. I have my coffee maker going. My yeast stuff for my bread expired in December. And I have no cinnamon rolls. So this went down the thing. I could do a pickup order, but I don't need that much. They try to give you a 35 limit. I really don't. I don't need that much. I think I needed it. And also, if I wanted cinnamon rolls, I really would have like had them this morning. I really don't want to get out in this weather. Like, yeah. When I'm saying this, like, I'm gonna say it's pouring, but air coming down. So, I'm gonna just chill my coffee for a second and then figure out what I want to eat. But I do know I have brownies, so we're gonna make those today. This kind of sucks. Stuff I had planned, I don't have the ingredients for. Man, boo. So I'm just gonna do my coffee myself for a minute, and then I'll figure out what the heck I'm gonna attack first, and all that fun stuff. But yeah, that was a fail. I am heading to the grocery store, like really close to my house. I wasn't going to, but I was like, you know what? I really want cinnamon rolls this morning. I really want to make bread today, so I'm going to get my yeast. My husband wants me to pick up something. So I didn't brush my hair. I didn't do nothing to it. I just got myself dressed out of my pajamas, of course. And I got something comfy so I can stay in this all day. So, but I am going to run to the grocery store. I know this vlog has started out very slow doing everything. So I have a feeling they do carry yeast, like the yeast packets. I'm hoping they do. Because I know 2 stores that do, but I'm not going to travel that far. Well, it's not that far. It's just that I'm not going to travel farther than I need to. So, but I'm going to pick up those 2 things and then, actually 3 things. Really wants that. And coming back home, and then we're good. We're staying home for the rest of the day. Also, I might find something for dinner tonight because it's just me and the hubby tonight. So, I might buy one of those pre-made dinner things like the pasta one or the other ones they have. I might grab that real quick and that'd be our dinner because it's just gonna be us 2 tonight. So I might do that, and then the rest of the week is kind of covered what we have in the refrigerator already. So I just didn't want to make a tuna casserole because that's my daughter's favorite, so that might really be tomorrow's dinner or Tuesday's dinner. I don't know yet. So I've been doing a lot of hamburger helper, but you know hamburger helper, it quick. So I don't know. I might do a beef stew thing there. It comes out the can. Y'all see on grocery hauls. I might do that Tuesday because I have to work the closing that day. So I just need a quick meal on Tuesday. So yeah. And the rest of the week I'm pretty laid back when it comes to getting off work. Except Thursday we have recital rehearsals. So our evening's a little bit crazy that night. But that's it. Yep. Cool. So we're going to go to this. And then when I get back, I'm going to make me my breakfast. I did drink my coffee. I sat outside on my porch and listened to it rain. Got some exciting news for a friend. I'm excited for her. I'm just going to say that because I don't think she's announced it to everybody. So I'm just excited though. So if she watches this video, I'm not announcing it. I'm just saying I'm excited. Okay? I'm excited. I'm so excited for her. Just, oh, that's all I gotta say. I'm very excited for her. Anyway, so we're gonna pick this up. Today, it's gonna be a beautiful day. You're probably saying it's raining. You're probably right. But I never say we're gonna have a good day because it always backfires. I always say we're gonna have a beautiful day. Even if it's a simple day at home, it's going to be a beautiful day. Hopefully. June is almost here. Because let me tell you, May has not been our month. And also when I get back, I'll probably have to charge my camera. I should have done that last night. I was just too tired last night. You don't work from open to close. I'm just that. Nope. Alright, we're doing a quick grocery haul. This is what he wanted. Breakfast croissants. He wanted. I got my cinnamon rolls. Get those started. This is what I grabbed for like our dinner. So I got 2 of those because I don't know if one is enough. But if it one's enough, I'll save that one for like a day that was just us 2 of those. So 2 of those, and I got 2 packets of the instant things. I don't have to have this problem again. This is what I was talking about. I don't have these. Mine's spared. So, yeah, we get to make our stuff still. I heard a lady up there saying the weather's gonna get better. I was like, glad I came. And get out of this weather. And I'm back home in my nice cozy house. I thought I hit record. I didn't. So we're gonna try to do this in the air fryer. If I didn't record that part. I've never done an air fryer, so wish us luck. I really thought I turned the camera on. Oops.
You crumble, so recall what we meant. All the words you never said, all the questions in my head, 'cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. 'Cause you're trouble.
cleaning. But I can't start cleaning. I cleaned up, you know, where my kitchen table is. I would say I did clean that up. I already swept it, dusted, all that fun stuff off camera while my camera charged because I needed a moment to charge. I was, because I ate lunch. So I was going to, right after lunch, start really cleaning the house so I can have like an evening to relax. I want to say it's an epic fail kind of Sunday reset. It's just a very unusual Sunday reset. Like, I want to do cinnamon rolls this morning. We didn't have, I swear I thought I had a can of them in my refrigerator. And I haven't made my bread yet, so I might not even get to that today, but I'm going to make my brownies today. I will do that. But, I just got a phone call. Y'all know I've been looking around. I'm not gonna say, like I said in my previous video, I don't mind my job. I just wish they paid better. You know, if I'm gonna put out these hours, I want to get paid better. You know, it is what it is. I get paid like pennies. Pennies. So, but none of that. I really. So my mom sent me this thing off of Facebook. It's a word is it's like a you know how doctor's office have their set time like 8 to 5 weekdays and weekends are off. Well, this place is more of like working around the doctor's office, like it's from this and this, and they work weekends. I think they do take a whole week off here and there because they gotta have a moment. So my mom sent me this link. They could just send a resume to this, you know, to them. And I was like, okay. Right when I got it, I was like, okay. 2 minutes later, I got on the computer because I need to check my emails anyway. Got on there, did it. I was like, it happens, it happens. It is what it is. But in the same day, I did that like, what was it? 10:30, I think. They want to interview at 1:30, 2 o'clock. I'll be there at 1:30, baby. On a Sunday, but they're open 7 days a week. So, but I'm nervous. Now I get myself dressed. I'm dressed, but I'm gonna be more presentable than this. This is not it. This is presentable to just go to the grocery store and stuff like that. It's not presentable for a job anymore. So I'm like, I'm over here nervous. You see me shaking. I'm like, So my Sunday reset turned into a day in the life on a Sunday. I haven't done no cleaning on this video. I got started laundry. I haven't started it anymore. Because I was like my camera charge. So when I get back, I'll let you know how it goes. You never know. It happens, it happens. It don't. I still got a job at my place, business. So can't say that much. So, but yeah. We can get started cleaning right after I get back. But first, I'm going to get dressed, looking nice, do something to this hair, because I just put it in a bun, didn't even brush it. You know, it is what it is. Literally, I was in the Sunday vibe of literally doing my hair, like putting it in the bun and getting comfy clothes on. Now I have to get dressed. I have to go out into the world. Yeah. So, I'm nervous. I get nervous. I get like this. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like I talked this whole vlog. So hopefully when I get back, I can get it straight. Put my headphones on. I'll tell you what happens, if anything happens, and get straight to cleaning right when I get back. But right now, we'll get straight to get dressed. All right. It is like 8:30. That's what I told you it was about 1. See what happened was, I had the quickest interview in the world. They're going to call me back later this week to do a work interview because the way that doctor's office is, they need to make sure this person is up to par, like being fast, doing this, because that place is fast. So, Wish me luck on that. So I'm cooking dinner right now. I haven't done any of my food. I haven't cleaned. I haven't switched out laundry. When I got back, I went to take a nap, and then I was like, and then when I got up, I washed my hair. And I started cooking this. So we can have a meal with a hubby. So that is this from when I went to the store earlier, just something quick and easy. Way to go. These as well. All that fun stuff. I haven't even made my brownies yet. Yeah. I haven't even done the dishwasher yet. Like, I literally went to take a nap, and that was the best nap ever. I might, after I eat, maybe clean something. If I don't, since this was really more of a talkative vlog, I think I'm gonna try to do an extra video this week to give y'all some cleaning motivation, because this one was so much of a talking one. And then the video I did the other day, Thursday, yes, that was also a lot of talking, and that was just so I'm gonna try to do for y'all, work on this week, and give y'all extra this week of a cleaning motivation. I won't do it, but I'm gonna try to give y'all cleaning motivation, even if I don't get no cleaning done this week. I know I want to switch out laundry before I go to bed, but I don't know. So that's the plan. I'm gonna try to give y'all extra videos. Lately, been doing y'all 2 videos, which is Wednesday and Sunday lately. So I think I might start up edit tomorrow. Get that video up Tuesday, put up this video Friday, and then put another video up Sunday. Not straight Sunday. We're going to copy each other. But yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. It's so much harder now to please you. Your smile is fading with the rain. And we known each other for so long.
it's actually the next day. The only thing I did is switched out laundry last night, got the dishwasher going. Not going, but loaded up and cleaned up, and the kitchen cleaned up. And then I just watched a Netflix movie real quick, and then I went to bed. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a lot of talking, not a lot of cleaning. My bad. But give me a thumbs up if you do like a lot of talking and some things. Sometimes it's just like that. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.